Hello and welcome to the final method in this course. Resolving CAPTCHA codes. There are a lot of webmasters looking for people who are solving CAPTCHA codes for a sum of money. If you have free time, and concentrate on the word free time because this will take lots and lots of time, and interested in this, your answer to 1000 CAPTCHA can make you $5. The minimum to withdraw your money to PayPal is $3. The site is one of the trusted sites in this area. You can register an account from the link provided in the resources of this course. Then start by answering the various CAPTCHA codes and make sure you answer correctly so that your account is not blocked. When you reach the minimum threshold of $3, you can request a transfer to your PayPal account. This is really simple and easy. Now let's check the website that we are talking about. It's called CAPTCHA. That's it. You need to enter your email address, your password, then repeat your password. The registration is very easy in this website. Click in I'm not a robot. Then you will simply need to click the register button. This method will make you not a great amount of money for your time, but if you have a lot of free time, making some money is better than making none. Now we created our account. It will redirect us to our first page. Okay, choose I'm a worker. Let's save the site. I'm a worker. I want to earn money entering text from the images and withdraw my earnings to my online wallet. As you can see, this is the worker page. These are the solve CAPTCHA works. Normal CAPTCHA waiting time is 37 seconds. ReCAPTCHA 125 seconds. As you can see, the bid is 0.001. It's okay. Now you can click on the start and start solving CAPTCHA. It will start by training you how to solve the CAPTCHA. Then you can start making money. Now the balance is $0. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it so far. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. This is Moneymakers Team.